Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive into this. I have an old hard drive I don't use anymore, but a hard drive is a hard drive. Probably all mount the same. Goes in here. The holes line up right there. Got thumb screws galore in here. None of those silly toolless clips. Here. We can only have one hard drive. Let's put it in this second bay. The hard drive fits very snug. Hardly any no play. Move this down, no play whatsoever. If you see the foam, there on the side. Oop. Back up a bit. There, you can see right here a little indentation of the foam to hold the hard drive in. Now, let's turn it. Almost perfect. Where are we at? Right there. Alright, 2 on one side, 2 on the other. Oh, you get the idea. And you can mount this hard drive cage, like I said, anywhere you want. This slides in like that. Slides all the way through, except for if you have your motherboard in there, then you probably won't be sliding all the way through. And on the top it says up and front, pointing to the front of the computer case, so you know there it goes. I lost my holes. There they are. On each side.